We're back. Finished. I have 4 axles on the elongated 6-axle truck. I did not shorten the skirt. I just pushed the wheels down. And there is no problem. Okay? No problem. It rolls like it's supposed to. Okay, now the hookup. I've got to get the hookup fixed and figure out what's going on with that. I got all new cherry red parts now, just printed last night, assembled this morning. A lot of fitment issues. I won't say issues, but weirdness. These are new parts, okay? Parts from drawings that I've had, but they are new files. And some of the bolt holes were a little snug, so I had to use my round file to open those up just a tad. When I put my heat impressed threaded inserts in, like this, when I put that in, I had some plastic that came up through the middle, so I had to do a little hand drill to get that out, and then I had to go back down and get a thread through to clean out the threads a little bit. Then when I got them all assembled, they were a little floppy out here on the end, a little too much going on, don't know what. They're thinner, of course, so they're going to have more flex, but it wasn't right. So I had to go get my shim supply. Thank goodness I had a .005 thrust washer from the motors that we use on our armatures, and I put a .005 shim on each of the wheels. Bingo, everything came together. It's nice and snug. We got good travel, no screws backing out on us. I think this is going to be it for the wheels. I didn't shorten the skirt, and I'll show you another thing. All right, I was overdoing it there, but right there, bingo. This thing will stick out. Excuse me. The grease box will stick out without any interference. So what I've done is I've pushed the axle point. If you notice here, the position for the axle is down low. So that's like when you have a pickup truck that rides too high and you want to lower the wheels, you bring the wheels up. Only in this case, we had a pickup truck that rides too low. We wanted to push the wheels down. So what I did was I moved that pivot point up 2 millimeters on the file. I created a new file. I moved that hole up 2 millimeters, reprinted it. So now these all have that axle or the pivot attachment point 2 millimeters higher, so that pushes the wheels down. You push the wheels down, they actually clear the apron without having to lower the apron at all. Yes. So I think you saw it go around the curves. I think it's going to be just fine. Now I got to get onto the connector. I want to get the connector done, figured out, and then I will spend a very small amount of time on the fireman's deck. If I can't do it, I can't do it in this time, okay? I got to get this engine put back together. This has just gone on for 3 days now. It's over. I got to get this done. Okay, so that's the issue with the thing. I printed some extra parts. I don't know if I ever need them, but I got them. These are lowriders. I got to keep that in mind. All of these parts here are from old batches from way back. I'm just going to put them away and try not to think about them. Eventually, they'll probably get thrown out. Because I think the geometry they're made with is wrong. Okay, I'll try to recover some of the parts that I can, like the brass bushings. The inserts are real hard to get out. Once I put them in, you don't want them to come out, so they're hard. They will probably stay. At any rate, I'm moving on. I'll post this so you know we got the wheels fixed and we have the rotation we need, gobs of clearance and gobs of possibilities for a rough track and all that good stuff, okay? And I did have a nice chat with Flyer Junction on a new idea to pivot more in the center. And we may come back to that. I don't know. We'll see how much time we have, or I think it's an easy experiment. I just don't want to stop at this point. Okay. All right, gang. I appreciate all the inputs. Truly do. I read everything. I try to answer everybody. Really appreciate it. Okay, let's get this bugger built. All right. Later. Bye.